Kama chielo nyakoro mga jwang'o mag motendre kod wechego mag somo kama piny owacho koro igeno ni bang' ndalo manok biro ng'ado bura ka gidhi medo omenda mag somo ne mbalariany ma pacho ka. Mabiro bang' migawo mar somo wacho ni girito paro mano owinjo bed ni chiwo koda put mano yiere nono weche mag somo ma pacho ka, medo ni Presidential Working Party mano ogolo paro ni owinjo piny owacho med fee mar mbalariany. Nok mar omenda ne mbalariany osemiyo mbalariany ma pacho ka owito oko somo moko kendo riembo tich moko kuom jotijegi. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo malo Dr. Beatrice Muganda wacho ni piny owacho oyango midhiero ma mbalariany kadhe mag omenda.
Funding of higher education requires partnerships, and that's why as a government we are sourcing partnerships. Recently there was the Kenya-UK Health Alliance that's bringing in 140 billion for a project on health in 6 universities.
It is the funding issue. This is critical, and we have been seeing it going on. But also, we will not say that the government is not funding. We get funded, but the demand for higher education and university education in this country, and even outside this country, has grown and has expanded. So we will say that the funding has also just to grow with the expansion of university education.
Well, I think you would agree with me that then this workshop is taking place at the right time. This question of discussion of the quality of education, it's not new. It's been going on for a long time. I think you have to appreciate that there has been quite a robust system in this country, but that doesn't mean that there has been the difficulties, and those are the issues that we would like to address. So if there has been concerns about quality in one